Good evening. My name is Yogendra Kumar. I'm a maths teacher at AskIITians. Okay, today we are going to do lecture number 3 on our chapter Algebraic Expression. As we have discussed already, this chapter comes for 9 to 10 marks. So we need to do this chapter in detail. We need to understand this chapter not only from marks perspective, but it is like this chapter is like a backbone of the all other chapters, okay, which we are going to do further, right? We need to understand, and not even in this grade, okay, we need to use it in our further chapters, further classes also, right? Means 9th 10th grade, okay, we will be having uses of these concepts, okay, we'll be using in our further classes also. So that's why it is really important to understand this chapter in detail. Okay, so let's start. What are the topics we are going to cover today? So we are going to see standard identities. We are going to see applications of identities. Okay, so we are going to learn these identities today, which are listed here. You can see. Okay, so these are our standard identities: a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, how does it come? Okay, we have seen last class, in the last lecture, we have seen how do we multiply binomial to another binomial. So a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square is nothing but it is a plus b into a plus b. So when I multiply this a to this a here, I'll get a square. Then I multiply a to b, so I'll get ab here, right? Similarly, when I'm multiplying b to this here, so it will be ab or ba, that is same, and then plus b square, right? So we are getting what? A square plus 2ab plus b square, right? You can understand this thing in different way. This way also you can understand. Suppose there is a square of a plus b unit. Okay, assume it is a square. Now, let's say this is what? A length here, this is a length. And now this is b here further. Means I mean to say this is b, right? So this is a square of b square area, this is a square area, and this is what? Rectangle of AB, rectangle of AB area, right? So total area will be what? For this a plus b into a plus b whole square, and you can see a square plus AB. So that's why 2AB, right? You can understand this way, right? Now another next identity, which is what? Very easy, I think, to understand. Okay, if we do this way, what it is, if we just remember first identity, which is what? For plus, I can use that identity only. How? Okay, we can understand this way. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, how do we use that? So we can write here a plus of minus b and that whole square. So what we get? A square plus 2a minus times b plus minus times b square, right? Minus b square. So it is a square. Now here you can see a plus and minus. Okay, what it will give me? Minus 2ab plus b square. Minus b square is like same b square only. So what we are getting? Only minus sign here, right? I hope you are getting it, right? Then we have this identity, which you can again do it like this: a plus b into a minus b. So what we will get? A. Now when you do this way, like this product, one will be plus ab, another one will be minus ab. You can do it and you can understand. So what we'll get? A square minus b square. So when it is plus ab and minus ab, that will get cancelled out. So what we will get? Minus b square, right? Okay, here just minus will come there. Okay, like this here, if you do it. Okay, now here, if it is x plus a into x plus b, so what we'll get? X square plus ax plus bx. So x we can take common and we can write on a plus b times x plus ab, right? So this is what we get, right? So these are the identities we need to remember. Okay, right? These are the identities. Okay, let me write down here last one as well. X plus a and then x plus b. So what it will be? X square. Now here x common, a plus b plus ab. This is what we get, right? I hope you got it. Okay, a will be multiplying to this, a will be multiplying to minus b, b will be multiplying here and minus b square. So that's why ab and minus ab will get cancel. Okay, we'll get a square minus b square, right? Simple it is. So this is what we get. Okay, like this is what we are getting here. I hope you're getting it. I showed the similar example to understand this identity. A plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square and plus 2ab. So you can see here there is a square of a plus b length and width also a plus b. So what is the area of that square will be? A plus b whole square. So now if I break down that area, that total area into four parts like this, which is what? One a square area square we have and b square area square we have, then ab and ab like this two areas will be what? Added like this. So that's why total area will be what? A square plus b square and plus 2ab, right? So this is what we need to remember. These identities we need to remember. Okay, like this. You can verify also, right, these identities, because identities are applicable for any number. Like identities solution, if you say, it is like infinite solutions, because if I take, let's say, a is 5 and b is 4, so what will be, what is the identity we want to verify? A plus b whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a plus b? LHS will be what here? 5 plus 4 whole square, which is coming what? 9 square, which is what? 81. Now RHS we'll see like same way. So RHS is what? 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 4 plus what? 4 square. So it is what? 25 plus it is what? 20 plus 40 here plus 16. So what are we getting here? You can see we are going to get 81 here only here. So LHS is equals to RHS, means our identity is what? Valid. Okay, like this, right? This is what similar way you can do for -1 also, right? Minus identity also. 5 minus 1, so which will be 1 square. Now here 5 square minus, you can verify that easily, right? If you want, I'll do on the next page. Let me verify this identity. Okay, a square, okay, not a square, a minus b, verification of what? A minus b whole square. Verification. Okay, this is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So what are we getting now? I'm saying a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 4. So what we are getting here? 1 square, which is what? 1. And now here 25 minus 2 into 5 into 4 plus 16, right? 4 square is 16. So what are we getting here? 41 minus 40, which is what? 1. So LHS is equals to RHS. You can verify. Now using identities, we need to find out this. So we know which identity is going to apply here. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So now what is a? A is this, and what is b? B is 3y, right? So I'm going to use this 2x square plus 2 times of 2x, 3y plus 3y square. So what we get? 4x square. Now here 12 xy, right? 4 3s are 12 xy plus 9 y square. So this is what we are getting, right? We get the using identity, we get this result, right? You can see this step by step, it is given here, right? You can verify. Let's come to next topic. Okay, applications of identities. The algebraic equations which are valid for all values of variables in is called as algebraic identities. Okay, they are also used for factorization of polynomials. We need to use them for factorization of polynomials also. So in this way, algebraic identities are used in computation of algebraic expressions, right? Solving different problems. Okay, so let's see like how we can use. Now see, the area of a square is what? This. What are the measures of its sides? right? So area is what given. Now we know that if area is what like this, side is A, so area is equals to A square if side is A, right? So now if, can I factorize this? So we need to look for factorizing it. Okay, so we will see like how can we apply. So we know that, okay, like A plus B whole square is what? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now I have here what? This is what I have, 9x square plus 12x plus 4. So can I write down this one as 3x whole square plus 2 times, because I want 2 here, and A is what? 3x, and what is B? B is what? 2 I can take. So you can see like 2 into 2, and this is what? 12x it is forming, and 2 square. So this is nothing but it is equivalent to what? 3x plus 2 whole square. So what is the side? What is A here? A is equals to 3x plus 2. And what is B? That is also right. So B is also that, like means what is the measure of side? Okay, 3x plus 2. This is what we have right here. So you can relate it, you can understand, right? Side of the square is what? This. You can observe this. Okay, you can see like how I made the whole square out of it. Okay, I just looked at what whole square can give you, 9x square plus 12x plus 4. So this is how we can do this question, right? I hope you understand this. Now let's see these questions using identities. Find out this. Okay, so we need to find out what we need to use this, which identity? A minus B whole square is equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So what is it? 4P square minus 2 times of 4P into 3Q plus 3Q square. So what we are getting? 16P square minus how much here? 1224 PQ plus 9Q square, right? This is what we are getting. Now length of a square is this, so find its area. So area is going to be x plus 3 whole square, right? So which is what? X square plus 2ab means 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square, which is what? X square plus 6x plus 9. So this is how we got, this is what our area. I hope you got it. Right, go through these questions again yourself. Okay, try to understand each and everything here, and do more practice, obviously, right, from the material provided to you, and make sure you're understanding this all, right? Hope you have understood everything. Okay, watch my next lecture also to understand things further in this chapter, right? I hope it is clear you. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.